Hello, I'm the Friendly TL, and this is my first demo day. I wanted to make a demo about a cool new project I'm working on, but it's hard to do a demo without typos. I decided that there should be a tool that I can use to type for me. To my surprise, I couldn't find a suitable one, so I made CodeAnim, and it's producing the recording that you're watching right now. As you can see, it's typing for me at a constant rate. We can also slow down the typing rate, or we can make it really fast. It can even be configured to type one word at a time. Let's have CodeAnim write a Python function that converts a percentage grade to a letter grade. So let's call our function toLetterGrade and have it take a parameter called percentage grade. A grade 90 or above is an A, between 80 and 90 is a B, between 70 and 80 is a C, between 60 and 70 is a D, and below 60 is an F. Okay, now let's write the logic. So with CodeAnim, we can jump to line 20 and replace the comment with if percentage grade is greater than or equal to 90, then return A. Now let's let CodeAnim finish writing the code for us. Alright, let's test our code by printing out the letter grades for a few grades, say 95, 75, and 35. And we'll have CodeAnim execute our code for us. And we can see that A, C, and F are printed out. Okay, let's have CodeAnim add type hints for our function. So let's start by closing the terminal, and then position the cursor here at line 19, column 37. Add the parameter type hint, move the cursor to the right by 1, add the return value type hint, and let's rerun for good measure. Let's take a look at the CodeAnim script that generated this recording. So, our first command sets the global delay on every keystroke and for every command. Then we call the focus command to open the file that CodeAnim will type in. Then we use the write command to begin typing. Here we can see that we can set different delays and type slower or faster, or pause on specific keystrokes like space in this example. Let's jump down to the section where we add type hints to our letter grade function. Here we have a command to toggle the terminal panel closed. Then we use a jump command to position the cursor at a specific position. We see a couple more write commands to add the type hints, and there's a move command to move the cursor. And finally, we have a run command to execute the script. That's it for Demo Day. Links to CodeAnim are available in the description. Thanks for watching.